Hey folks, in this Simply Schedule Appointments video, I'm going to show you how to work with capacity. Now, capacity in the context of appointments means either how many people can come to one meeting or how many meetings you can have in the same time slot. Practically speaking, they're the same thing, but they look a little different in Simply Schedule Appointments. So let me show you how that works. Let's go to Appointment Types. We're going to do the virtual coaching. So this is a coaching session you would attend online. Let's go down to capacity. And what we have here are 15 individual slots that can book at the same time. That means 15 people can book the exact same time slot. Now, normally you'd think there's only one time slot there. How can this work? Well, maybe 15 individual people are going to show up to your online coaching session. What this is going to look like, and I'll show you in a minute, is 15 individual appointments. But if we go back to the in-person coaching and go down to capacity, then you'll see there's group, and there's 10. I'm going to change that to 15 for consistency's sake. Now, what this means is that, again, 15 people can sign up. However, it's going to look like a single appointment with 15 people. Practically speaking, there is no difference. And something I want to point out here, with all of these, this is not a scenario where one person signs up their coaching club and signs up 9 people at once. This is where each individual person comes and signs themselves up, as if they were each signing up for a class. So let me show you what it looks like. I'm going to go create some appointments. Let's start here with virtual coaching. And on the 24th at 8 a.m., Henry Green is going to appear. Then, again, virtual coaching. On the 24th, 8 a.m., Rena Hoffman is going to appear. Individual appointments are better for cases where there are either multiple employees taking the appointments, like if they have 5 coaches on staff and nobody really cares who takes which appointment, or the people booking are booking separate resources, like a bridal shop that has 5 fitting rooms and nobody cares which fitting room they get as long as one is available when they show up for their appointment. Also, individual capacity allows staggered appointments. Going back to our bridal shop example, one bride might book a room for an hour starting at 10 a.m., another at 10:15, and another at 10:30. Their appointments overlap, but have separate start and end times, and they'll be in separate fitting rooms. Setting the capacity to 5 ensures that no more than 5 brides are booked at any given time, even when their appointment types overlap rather than matching up exactly. There. Now I have 4 individual appointments scheduled for 8 a.m. on the 24th, and they appear just like individual appointments. However, now I'm going to create some for the in-person training. There's in-person, and we will choose Friday at 10 a.m. The group setting is better for stuff that is truly a group of people doing something together. A workshop, a class, a webinar, etc., where everybody is always going to show up together and start and end at the same time. Group capacity does not allow staggered appointments. Once somebody books at 10 a.m., everybody else who wants to book has to book at 10 a.m. as well. 10:15 and 10:30 are no longer options. Simply Schedule Appointments forces a group to form at one set time. And you can already start to see what's happening here. Rather than listing them both out, it says 2 people with a little drop down here. There, now we have 4 people signed up for in-person coaching. And if you click the little down arrow, you can view attendee details or cancel this appointment. If you open up a single person up above, you could get a little bit more information and still cancel or view appointment details.